Haftai lau te wha lere o loto lia i sitia ua whai mawhonga o le whalapotonga o le Samoa Family Health Association mo le awanoa. O te o wholo whātu ma whātalo whātu i le paia ma le mamalu ua mwhai o na whātasi mai le nei tai au. Tātou te mōli mauina le tāua o le nei whamoe moe e meise o le tineia ma le soloia ma whaomatia le sauaina o tinā ma tamaitai. Talofa and warm welcome to you all. Lau sunga te tai o sauninga, lau sunga maunga motu. Your Excellency, the High Commissioner of Australia, High Commissioner of New Zealand, our donor partners, the Samoa government, and the Samoa Family Health Association. Talofa and welcome. It is my honor to join the Samoa Health Association, our development partners, community leaders, young couples and families as we gather for this important event. The young couples' contribution to ending violence, held as part of the 16 days of activism under the global theme, Unite to End Digital Violence Against Women and Girls. Today we celebrate not only creativity through poetry, music and performance, but also the courage and commitment of our young couples from Awa'u and Faleo'o who have completed sexual gender-based violence fundamental trainings. Their willingness to learn, grow, and lead change in their families and communities is something we must acknowledge with pride. Violence, whether physical, emotional, sexual, or digital, has no place in our societies. With the rapid rise of technology, digital violence has become one of the fastest growing forms of abuse, affecting many young women and girls in Samoa and around the world. Online bullying, harassment, non-consensual sharing of images, and harmful message can cause deep emotional harm and long-term trauma. As the Associate Minister of Health, I believe that ending violence is essential to protecting the health, dignity, and well-being of our people. Violence erupts families, affects mental health, contributes to unplanned pregnancies, increased sexual transmitted infections, and create cycles of harm that can continue across generations. This is why the work of Samoa Family Health Association and partners is so important. By empowering young couples with knowledge of sexual reproductive health and rights, healthy relationships, gender equality, and digital safety, we create stronger families and stronger communities. I commend South Samoa Family Health Association for using creative tools such as music, poetry, and performance to help young people express their experiences and advocate for change. Young couples hold a special place in the vision of Safer Samoa, and they have the power to break old cycles, When young couples stand together and equal partners, treating each other with respect and supporting each other's dreams, they become powerful agents for ending violence. To the couples performing today, you are the role models. You are showing Samoa how built on respect, communications, and shared responsibility can transform our homes and communities. O tau o whaataitainga lelei i tātou ainga e kalesia manu. Ia whaile nei asa whapitoa ma le sona o ngā e tā oso ma tā pena ai le rumanai manuia mo o tō uma mai tātou uma mo atai au. To the village leaders, parents and families who are present here today, your support is essential. Ending violence requires all of us, government, communities, churches and families working together towards building strong, safe and loving families. O le aunga le nā o whainga mea, a le lei pulenga nuu a whioanga e saunga le mu foi tupulanga mo na tangata. Whawhetai I lo tau langolango e leuna ina o ngā lii e wha mautuina le nei wha moe moe. As a nation, we reaffirm our commitment to creating a Samoa where women and girls feel safe, both offline and online, where every person's right is protected, and where our communities thrive in peace and respect. Manuia tele lo tātou whamoemoe, whawhtai tele lava, God bless, manuia lo tau sanga whau ma kismas. Whawhtai.